Hello everyone, this is Ankit from Kailasha Foundation Fun and Learn portal. This is your solution video of mixtures and alligations chapter mini mock 1. So all 10 questions we'll do one by one. And the first question is, read this question carefully at first. A cask is filled with a mixture of two liquids A and B in the proportion A is to B is equal to 5 is to 3. Okay. When 16 gallons of the mixture is drawn off. Okay, before reading the question completely, you know that if 16 gallons of the mixture is drawn and the ratio was 5 is to 3, 5 plus 3 that is 8. So you know that 10 and 6, A and B are drawn. Okay, and the cask is filled with liquid B. Okay, so entire 16 is replaced by B. So now you subtracted these and you added 16 of B and 0 of A. Okay, so initial concentration was 5x and 3x. Now the change is 5x minus 10 and 3x plus 10, and the ratio is 3 is to 5. The ratio is 3 is to 5. Okay, so you directly know that 5x minus 10 by 3x plus 10 is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, so 25x minus 50 is equal to 9x plus 30. Okay, 16x is equal to 80, x is equal to 5. Okay, so the initial concentration was 5 is to 3. That means 5x and 3x were our quantities. Total quantity in liter was 8x. 8 into 5, that is 40. 40 liter is the capacity of cask. Okay, now sorry, it's not liter, it's gallons. 40 gallons is the capacity of the cask. Two casks contain mixtures of liquid A and B. Okay, in the first, A is to B is equal to 7 is to 3, and in the second, A is to B is equal to 3 is to 1. In what ratio? Okay, let me tell you, this question is very easy and can be done with the help of uh, alligations cross method. Okay, so don't focus on both A and B at once. Focus on only one of them. Okay, any one of them. So let us focus on A. So in the first, A is basically 7. A is to be 7 is to 3. So A is 7 by 10. Okay, in the first one, A is 7 by 10. And in the second one, similarly, A is 3 by 4. And when we mix the two, in the desired ratio, A becomes 11 by 15. Okay, so now the cross rule will work. So this difference will be 1 by 30 and this one will be 1 by 60. Okay, so the ratio will be obviously 30 is to 60, that is 1 is to 2. So 1 is to 2 is our answer. Okay, find the proportion which two kinds of tea costing 3 and 3.30 per pound. 3, 3.30, mixture is 3.20. Okay, it is 0.20 difference, it is 0.10. The ratio is clearly 1 is to 2. Easiest question of the mock. A grocer sells one kind of tea at 2.7 per kg and loses 10%, and another at 4.5 per kg and gains 12.5%. Okay, what we will do, we will find the cost price of all three. Okay, the first one, the second one, and the mixture. At first we will do this step is compulsory. Okay, so 10% loss when sold at 2.7 per kg. Okay, obviously the cost price is 3 rupees of the first kind of tea, because 10% loss, that is 0.3, so 2.7 is the selling price. Clear? And another at rupees 4.5 per kg, gaining 12.5%. Okay, so we can do 4.5 into 100 upon 112.5. Okay, so it is 4. So the second one is 4 rupee per kg, the cost price. Okay, the mixture is sold at 3.95 per kg at a profit of 25%. Okay, 3.95 into 100 upon 125, that is 3.16. So 3.16 is the price of mixture, cost price. Okay, now it is very easy for us. This is 0.16, this is 0.84. So 84 is to 16, that is 21 is to 4. 21 is to 4 is the ratio. So the basic thing is, at first find cost price of all. Okay, because at the end of grocer, for calculation of profit or loss, cost price will be important, selling price not the selling price but cost price. Okay, now question number 5. A cask contains a mixture of two liquids A and B in the ratio 7 is to 5. Okay, when 9 gallons of the mixture is drawn off, when 9 gallons of the mixture is drawn off and the cask is filled with liquid B, the proportion becomes A is to B is equal to 7 is to 9. It is just like the first question we did. It is just like the first question we did. See, 16 gallons was drawn off and filled with B. Okay, but let me solve it. So 7 plus 5, that is 12. So 9 into 7 by 12 is drawn off. If we talk about A, and if we talk about B, 9 into 5 by 12 is drawn off. Okay, but 9 is added back completely. This is subtracted and this is added. Okay, so basically, if we don't want to do this hectic calculation, we just know that this amount of A is drawn off. Okay, and the cask is still filled, so obviously the quantity of B is increased by this amount only. Okay, so 7x minus 9 into 7 upon 12, that is 21 by 4, divided by 5x plus 21 by 4. Okay, see here in the first example, 5x minus 10, so 3x plus 10. Okay, this now becomes 7 upon 9, straight and simple. So 28x minus 21 by 20x plus 21 is equal to 7 upon 9. This is your equation. You have to solve it. You will find x. Okay, how many gallons does the cask hold? Just like the previous question, 7 plus 5, that's 12x. You will multiply x by 12 and you will get your answer. So now I am going to do this calculation. It is 252x minus 189 is equal to 140x plus 147. So 140 will be subtracted. 112x is equal to 336. x is equal to 3. So 12 threes are 36. 36 gallons will be the answer. Okay, 36 gallons will be the answer. Now I am rubbing it off. Okay. Gas A contains wine and water in the ratio 6 is to 7 and B in the ratio 9 is to 4. In what ratio must the contents of the two casks be mixed to give a mixture of wine and water in the ratio 8 is to 5? Similarly, as above, we just did a question just like this. Wine is 6 upon 13 because 6 is to 7 is the ratio wine and water, ratio of wine and water. So wine is 6 upon 13 in the first one. Mm, and in the second one, wine is 9 upon 13. Okay, and the in the mixture it is 8 upon 13. So all the denominators are the same, so you can erase the denominators. Okay, now it is 2 and it is 1, so 1 is to 2. That's it. 5 liters are drawn from a cask full of wine and it is then filled with water. 5 liters of the mixture is drawn and the cask is again filled with water. The quantity of wine now left in the cask to that of the water in it is in the ratio 361 upon 39. Okay. So the operation is performed twice. Read it carefully. 5 liters are drawn from a cask full of wine and it is then filled with water. This is the first operation. Now it becomes a mixture. So 5 liters of the mixture is again drawn and the cask is again filled with water. Okay, so the operation is done twice. Okay, 1 minus 5 liters are drawn. So 5 by total capacity is let's say it is A. The square will be 361 by total 361 plus 39, that is 400. Okay, that is 19 by 20 square. So removing the square, 1 minus 5 by A is equal to 19 by 20. Okay. So 5 by A is equal to 1 minus 19 by 20, that is 1 by 20. Okay. So A is equal to 25 is a 100 liters. Straight and simple. Okay. In a mixture of wheat and barley, the wheat is 60%. Okay. To 400 quintals of the mixture, a quantity of barley is added. In a mixture of wheat and barley, the wheat is 60%. Okay. 400 quintals of the mixture. So 240 quintals is wheat and 160 quintals is barley. To 400 quintals of the mixture, a quantity of barley is, say, X quintal is added. And then the wheat is 53.33%. So 240 by 160 plus X into 100 is equal to 53.33. Okay, that is to be precise, 53 upon 1 by 53 plus 1 by 3. Okay, that is 160 by 3, 160 by 3. Now we will solve it. So let me repeat the question if you didn't get it. In a mixture of wheat and barley, the wheat is 60%. Okay, and 400 quintals of the mixture is there. So 240 wheat and 160 barley will be there because wheat is 60%. So 60% of 400 is 240. Okay, and the calculation is being done in quintals. So we have assumed X quintal of barley. Okay, in the options it is in kg. So once we get the value of X, we'll convert. That we already know that we'll convert. but right now we have assumed it in quintals. So to 400 quintals of the mixture, a quantity of barley is added, and then the wheat is 53.33%. What quantity of barley is added? Okay, say X. So total will be uh, total will be there's a blunder. Total will be 240 plus 160 plus X. So it will not be 160 plus X, it will be 400 plus X. Okay, 240 by 400 plus X. Now it is correct. 240 by 400 plus X into 100. This is the percentage of wheat. Okay, sorry for the mistake. 240 quintals is wheat, 160 quintals was barley, X is added. Total mixture is 240 plus 160 plus X, that is 400 plus X. And wheat is still 240. So 240 by 400 plus X into 100, it is 160 by 3 as per the question, because 53.33%. Now let us calculate. So 24,000 upon 400 plus X is equal to 160 by 3. Okay, 8 twos are 16 and 8 threes are 24. Okay, it is 150. So 450 is equal to 400 plus X. So X will be 50 quintals. Oh, so yes, the given answer is wrong, because the question is given in quintals and the answer is given in kgs. But 50 quintals will be the answer, not 50 kgs. So this will be considered a printing error, because obviously if you calculated it correctly, you know that 50 quintals must be there. Okay, I will correct this error in the mark. It is quintals. Okay. Now, question number 9. Two solutions of 90% and 97% purity are mixed, resulting in 21 liters of the mixture of 94% purity. Okay. 90, 97, and 94. This is 4 and this is 3. 3 is to 4 is the ratio. So 3x plus 4x is 21. That means it is 9 and it is 12. How much is the quantity of first solution in the resulting mixture? So 90% purity solution is 9 liters and 97% purity solution is 12 liters. Okay. That's how 21 liters of the mixture. So 9 liter is the answer. Question number 10. A bonus of rupees 985,000 was divided among 300 workers of a factory. Each male worker gets 5,000 and each female worker gets 2,500 rupees. Okay. Among 300 workers of a factory, each male worker gets 5,000 rupees and each female worker gets 2,500 rupees. Okay. 5,000 is the average of male wages, 2,500 is the average of female wages, and if we divide 985,000 by 300, if we divide 985,000 by 300, we get 9850 by 3. 9850 by 3. Okay. Now, subtracting it, we get these figures. This is 15,000 minus 9850 by 3, that is 5150 by 3, and this one is 9850 minus 7500. Okay, so 2350 upon 3. The ratio will be 3 and 3 cancelled, 0 and 0 cancelled. Uh, 5 fours are 20, 5 sevens are 35, 5 ones are 5, 0, 3. Okay, 47 is to 1 is 103 is the ratio, and we have to divide 300 workers in 47 is to 103. So males will be 300 into 47 by total is 47 plus 103, 150. 94 male workers are there. Okay, let me explain it again. 985000 is the total value paid in 300 people. So overall average is this. So average is always written here. Every male gets 5000. That's just like the average of male wages. Okay, so it is 5000 here, and average of female wages is here. So number of employees, the ratio of number of employees will be obtained here, just like all other examples. And once we obtain it to be 47 is to 103, we divide 300 workers among males and females, and we get 94 and 206. Okay, so 206 females are there and 94 males are there. Male workers will be 94. That's it. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye. Good night.